Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you update Roblox app. So to update Roblox app, you can just go to your Play Store and update it. So just go to Play Store and in the top search bar, search for Roblox. And here you can see there is a play icon, but there is no update icon. If there is no update icon, it means that you have already updated it or there is a glitch. So you can do another thing, just go back and go to settings, go to apps and click on manage apps, the second one. Now search for Roblox and here you can see in the bottom last clear data, click on it and click on clear all data, click on OK. Now just go back and go to Play Store again and again if you don't see the Roblox update, you can just uninstall the Roblox app and again install it. And by installing Roblox app again, it will be updated surely. So guys, that's how you can update Roblox app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.